Hey everybody, it's Vance from fishingwithvance.com. It's a beautiful day here in PA. Trout season opens next week, but I couldn't pass up the chance to maybe do a little pond fishing today. I'm walking up on a spot I've never fished before, and so we'll see what we got here. I can't imagine that there would be no fish in here, so we'll see. It's going to be really nice here today in PA. It's supposed to get up to 70 degrees, but it's Sunday morning. I'm gonna throw out some jerk baits and some plastics to see what happens. Just love to get a fish on the line to get me off the schneid for the year, get my first fish. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna throw this little jointed wrapper on to start. See how this works. I don't know this, like I said, I don't know this lake, first time here, so no idea what the snag situation is. Got some laying down timbers in here. See what we got. Well, I can do it. I can hit that tree pretty good, no doubt. Everybody took that jointed minnow off. Now I'm going to try to throw this little silver jerk bait, suspending. See if I can't get somebody to wake up and see what's what. Alright, first spot didn't work out. I didn't throw any soft plastics in here other than this little paddle bait here. Got it rage rigged. Wanted to see how that went through the water. I think that'll be good later on in the year, but right now nothing. This water's still really cold, obviously, here, PA. But see what happens. I'm gonna go on that side of the lake over there and see if I can't throw something up in that shallow water along those old dead reeds. See what's up with that. Gonna have to pull out the KVD purple and see if she can bail me out of two for two getting skunked on the season here. Trout season opens next week, so hopefully I don't get skunked that day. I doubt I will, but see what happens today. Yeah, we're back fishing by these rocks. No, fishing by these rocks, trying to scare up a fish. My man Whitey from the club telling me it's a good spot to go. Bullshit.
Over here by me.
I didn't catch anything on the other side of the lake, and then some dudes came with mammoth dogs, so I got out of there before I got attacked and eaten. But then I ended up hanging out in my clubhouse for a while, and then Catter shows up.
Hello, viewers.
So here he is, and so we're just gonna throw a couple here for a few minutes. We gotta go. Didn't catch anything earlier, but again, I'm outside. It's beautiful. But we're gonna toss a few in this. It's known as Site 2 around these rocks, and see if I can't catch a couple here in the next half hour. If not, another day with no fish, but still better than the very best day work.
That's right. Fish on.
Fish on. fishingwithvance.com.
Oh,